here,瑞応寺temple. It's my home temple. Like since I don't know when I was a child. This guy is called Dharma. He's like Zen master. Then it is said he lost his arms and legs. Then he got like round shaped. First, scoop water and wash your left hand, right hand, and put water on your left hand, and wash your mouth, then clean your left hand again, then clean this stick part, and finish. Here we go. Here you go. So this is like donation box. You can see the coin. This words are from Buddha. 人を非難せず、食事は質素に、一人自分を見つめる時間を持つ。ブッダ、命の言葉。means おはようございます。Don't blame people. Eat meals simply, like easy. Like don't eat greasy. Then look yourself alone. Then have your own life, have your own time. By Buddha, the words of life. Like that. This one like Zen party, not party, I don't know, like the Zen training meeting every Sunday from 7:30 a.m. I got to try someday. There's a Zen training room. They are called Onigawara, means like, I forgot, Oni means like devil, Japanese demon, or tiger, devil, yeah, like demon. These are decoration for like rooftop, like maybe you can see there, yeah, like there too. They'll protect you from bad luck, bad fortunes, or bad monsters. Actually, I don't have that type of rooftop. I really don't see demons ever. They are like memorial decorations for rooftop. Onigawara. That's called Tengu. That's not dick. It's nose. famous monster. It's terrible if you have dick on your face. You know. These stones are saying like thank you for donating. So like this means money, 200 yen. 200 yen is just two bucks, but you know it's a long time ago, so it's super expensive. I don't know how much it was. Then there's the name on the rocks. Only 200 yen. You can't even buy these stones, you know.